Good morning. This morning we're talking about some rain showers affecting us on this Thursday. It's been a little bit on the rainy side in Fargo, kind of quiet right now as we're looking toward downtown, though we could see more rain as the day goes on, and that's the case for everybody in the valley. That's why we've got the yellow caution lights for you here for your travel plans for today. You may run into a thunder shower or two as the day goes on. A lot of our showers this morning don't include lightning, but still a possibility as we are kicking off our day, and you may be greeted by it again as you're heading home. Temperatures are a little warmer this morning. We're into the 50s, 58 degrees in Fargo, 59 in Grand Forks. A couple of us still in the 40s to start off. Bemidji back over to Wadena and Alexandria into some mid to upper 40s, and even one spot in the 60s. That's Devil's Lake at 61 degrees. Let's take a look at our wind. It's out of the south for most areas. We're looking at wind. At times that's been gusting into the 20s, especially right in the heart of the Red River Valley. Grand Forks and Fargo have seen gusts off and on into the 20s, and Fargo seeing a gust right now to 25. And here's a look at that radar again. Southeastern North Dakota kind of filling in with these scattered showers. There are areas into Minnesota seeing the rain, some moving into Devil's Lake right now and Jamestown as well. And you can see a couple of these cells producing a little more substantial rain right along the Lemoore and Dickey County line. And in the eastern parts of those counties there, some heavier downpours. Again, a little rain moving into Jamestown, back over into southeastern North Dakota. Wilkin County seeing one of those areas of rain moving into Minnesota as well. And so this is all moving eastward. Fargo-Moorhead, again, a little bit of a lull at the moment, but you see there's more showers in the vicinity. And this will continue to be a possibility again through the morning in those areas with that lightning still going on between Thief River and Newfolden, right along this line that's moving farther east into places like the eastern half of Marshall County in Minnesota and eastern parts of Pennington County. And so again, showers affecting us here today, and we'll see more as the morning goes on and into the afternoon, the potential for these to affect us throughout that time. So here's a look at that in our hour-by-hour planner. By the time we get into the noon hour, that first line kind of moves east and fizzles out a little bit, and then we see that second line moving in. This is late morning into early afternoon, right over the heart of the valley, and then continuing to push eastward from there. And this is along the cold front that's going to move through. So ahead of this line, we will see temperatures warm up. You can see Wadena, Alexandria getting into some upper 70s there. This is 3 p.m. ahead of the front. Of course, once the rain moves through, it tends to cool us down a little bit, and we'll be more into the low 70s to some upper 60s. It all depends on timing and if you're seeing rain on the radar during that critical time of day when we're really warming up into midday. And so there's going to be a range of temperatures, upper 60s to some low 70s in most spots, and then those of us in the southeast more likely into the upper 70s. So this is 3 p.m. You see the storms get a little stronger into the afternoon as they're feeding off of that energy, and then they'll move east from there heading into this evening, and we'll start to quiet things down for us for tonight. Temperatures by 8 o'clock dipping back into the 60s throughout the valley. So let's take a look at your planner here. Next few days, you're going to see some low 70s for highs. Friday, there's still a chance for some showers for some of us in the northern valley, southern valley. Very different, might be more on the sunny side. And then into Saturday and Sunday this weekend, quieter, sunshine, temperatures in the morning, a little cool in the 40s, and then we get into the low 70s in Fargo, both Saturday and Sunday. And then next week, here comes the warmer temperatures, that summer we've been talking about. The summer weather coming back for Tuesday will be right around that 80-degree mark. So looking pretty good here in the 11-day planner with, you know, today and into tomorrow being our next chance for rain, and then after that, it holds off until Wednesday. Weekend's looking pretty good right now.
Nice.
We like a nice weekend out there, especially a big game coming up as well this weekend, so a lot of folks tailgating.
Yeah, won't have to worry so much about the the umbrella and the rain gear as you're out tailgating this weekend.
Perfect.
Okay, like that. Thank you, Lisa.